This is the finished project, but I wanted to show you how I got started. Download the Google Earth image. Because it's drawing on the iPad, I can change this as many times as I like. It's just a matter of drawing with electronic ink, having a play, and then drawing it again, deleting what you don't want, and having another go at it. The next stage is to take a photograph. Now I've already laid out the hose so I know where I want my garden. Make the photograph semi-transparent. Try a design. If you don't like it, you can always try it again. I can always undo what I've done. I've decided not to have such a high curb. Now I'm putting in some background. I'm thinking about putting hollyhocks and some ground covers. Let's put in some context. It's really important to put in the context. The house is going to be remodeled, so I've changed the roof down the back area because the roof's going to be a different slope. It's going to remain weatherboard, so I'm going to put that information in. This is all going to help the client to understand what this is going to feel like when we're finished. So put a little bit of texture in so that the client can see the idea of the driveway, the idea of the grass. Putting in a bit more information, making the drawing come to life with some hatching, with some shadow, maybe some more plants, put in some more of the context. Every once in a while you're going to need to check your photograph to make sure that you're putting in the right information. It's nearly finished. I'm just doing the final touches now, and soon we'll have the final result. It's really important to make sure the client can understand your intentions. So put as much detail in as you need, and there it is. Now it's ready for you to discuss that with the client.